We know Akoto will likely be out there, but will it be Otieno who plays? Where will Akale be? Will it be down the middle? Will it be out in the wings? For the very first time in League One history, it's the Players' Shield winners taking on the tournament champions. Here we go. But they've been on a good run of form since that loss against Northern Colorado. Otieno has it stripped away, laid off, and there is Pablo Jara. Laid off for Fonseca, tees it up on his right. There might have been something there with the Kale making that diagonal run. The game-winning assist in the U.S. Open Cup. Rio Grande Valley. Akale on his left, just misses wide. The space just opened up for him as Barnathan was... Ball through the lines for Akindele. Lovely layoff pass. Fonseca in there. That man is again. Adjei firing this one over. An immovable object between the pipes. Saw this one the whole way and gets the palms to it. That percentage of your games to have held the opposition to no goals. Akindele. Around the corner, lovely ball returned in, and the recovery tackle, it doesn't always have to be Fitzgerald. Turned over to Adjei on his right, curls one! An unstoppable effort from Adjei. A strike of pure perfection. Took this game on his shoulders, got the ball himself, scored the ball himself. An emphatic finish, rolling it into the top corner. Pushed off the ball, and that will do it. The Players' Shield winners in the very first meeting between the regular season and tournament champions.